Hey community, Amir here. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you how the integration between ALM Octane and Salesforce works when you want to synchronize defects and bugs. So let's see how this is done. So now I'm currently in ALM Octane. Let me go to the defect module or issues module. And in the issues module, I would create a defect. And as you can see, I have already prepared demo environment, set it up. So thanks to Polygon, one of our partners who provided me the demo access to ALM Octane. And on the other hand, I have an environment set it up for Salesforce, where you can see all the different backlog items I've created for a specific team. So now if I would create a defect in ALM Octane, and let's do that now. So let's say this is demo login not working. And this is also my description. So let's say description, demo login not working. And when I say add, it will be immediately transferred to Salesforce. So let's just refresh here. So you can see demo login not working, and that's not everything. When you click on the story itself or on the backlog item itself, it will open the details where you can see what I have entered, but also it will provide you the ALM Octane ID as well as the link. So when I click on this link, you will see another tab will open. It will show me directly this specific defect. Beside that, the defect ID is synchronized back to Octane. So you can see if I click on refresh, the refresh on the ID is done. So this works now from ALM Octane to Salesforce. Now, if I'm on Salesforce, I can do basically the same. So if I create a new defect or a bug in this case, so let's enter this is a bug from Salesforce to ALM Octane and copy the same and say description is like this. And I have impact here, product tag, which is a mandatory field on Salesforce side is not assigned. I can select here additional informations. Once I'm done, I can press here on save, and you will see it will create the defect. And let me just quickly refresh. You will see that also the ID of the defect is here as well as the link. And additionally, if I go into ALM Octane, you can see the new defect is appearing and I can see the ID on Octane side. So once the defect is received from Octane, you can do kind of customization in Octane to say the same like we had the link on Salesforce for the ALM Octane defect. You can say, okay, go to Salesforce and show me this bug. So it will directly jump into Salesforce. The next thing what you can do here is you can now change the status of the defect. So let's do it. So if I say this defect is now opened, so if I click on move to opened, and immediately on Salesforce side, I can refresh and you can see it moves to in progress. Yeah. So when I click here, okay, on Salesforce side, from in progress, we say, okay, it's ready for test or it is fixed. So I set it to fixed and let me assign one person here. Once it is set to fix, I can save it. And immediately on ALM Octane side, if I just go refresh here, you can see it is already fixed. So from ALM Octane side, now it can be tested and whatever need to be done to validate that the defect is fixed, we can say, okay, it's tested, we propose to close it. And now in Salesforce side, if we go on refresh, it should be waiting, yeah, until someone comes here in Salesforce and say this defect is now really closed, save it, and immediately on ALM Octane side, this defect is closed. So this is how simple you can use MuleSoft to organize synchronization between ALM Octane and Salesforce, but this goes for every other tool as well. So if you are looking to synchronize Salesforce to GitLab or Azure DevOps, or ALM Octane to any other backlog management tool, this is simply possible using the MuleSoft AnyPoint platform. Hope this helps. Bye.